So let's have a walk around the aisles and find out what the latest and the greatest is here at the NPA. And we have Amy Cook from T2 here. Hi. So can you just explain what you're showcasing at the NPA this year, please, Amy?
Absolutely. We're showcasing our unified solution as a parking company, a leading parking company in North America. So Julia and myself are salespeople for the Luke machine, the pay station that's behind you here, so you can't see it very well. But that is mainly what we're here to sell, as well as that unified solution.
We're showcasing a Park ID system. It's a full web-based, Ethernet-based system. It's all web-based GUI, so very easy for the customer to use.
I've recently heard that you're going in, possibly with a partnership with a company called ZipBuy. Is that correct?
That is correct. They integration with them to be able to use their product with ours, and it's full seamless, so the operator can see everything within our product as well.
Well, we have Tiffany here from Scheider Bachmann, and I believe a congratulations is in order first from Volunteer of the Year from the NPA, so well done. Well, can you tell us a bit about what Scheider Bachmann is exhibiting this year?
Sure. Well, as most people know, this year it's our 50th anniversary worldwide for Scheider Bachmann, and we're here really to set up more conversation style for and reconnect with our customers. As you can see, we probably did a little bit more minimalist design this year and didn't do so much of the equipment, but rather let's talk about the software, where we're headed for the future. It's the 50th anniversary, so we're really looking forward to continuing to develop these partnerships.
Hello, Boomy.
How are you doing, Tom?
I'm doing very well, thank you. How are you doing?
Way.com is essentially an online marketplace of what amazes you. Okay, so we're a one-stop shop for users to come on to one site and to purchase anything from movie tickets to concert tickets to big game tickets, plus their dining, plus their parking. You know, essentially our goal is to drive, maximum revenue to our service providers across various verticals. And the idea is to cross-sell them as effectively as possible. So that's our ideal, and that's our vision, and that's our growth strategy.
We are a mobile smart city digital platform. We are managing payments for parking, also for taxes, and for some other city services. Our technology is pretty much unique. I mean, the platform that we are going to release is much better than whatever you have here in the US market. And also we are deploying some value-added services, premium services for the citizens and for the users.
We're not just showcasing one line of equipment here, we're actually showcasing multiple different lines. We have our Opus series here to my left. We also have our European models, which we call Overture. We have both on-street parking, a couple of meters that we're showcasing there, along with our security division. We have a complete PCI security cage for the servers for the parking units, along with a full suite of software.
Hi, nice to see you again. Nice to see you again as well. Can you just explain a little bit about what Swarco's exhibiting here today?
Swarco is at NPA again this year, showing our parking guidance systems, and that's a fully integrated system. It includes the sensors in the garage that know where the open spaces are. That information is pushed to LED signs that are either at the entrance to the garage, maybe at key intersections throughout the city to help people, to help guide them to the open parking around town.
Hello, Troy. How are you doing today?
Well,
and
Moneris is a North American payment processor. We specialize in the unattended kiosk environment, and we're showcasing this equipment here, which is EMV, Tap and Go, Apple Pay, contactless kiosk in a secure environment, so people can pay with whatever payment type they choose.
Over my right shoulder, you'll see some of the advantages of our technology is integrating with other payment applications, and this is our Quink application using Bluetooth technology that now enables customers to use their smartphones with Bluetooth and go in and out of the garage seamlessly and charge their parking to their phone and their account.
We're relatively new to the US market. We're very well established in the UK and Europe. We've been around as a business since 1826. I've been there since about 1827, as you can see by the bags under my eyes. But we're here very much growing the US business on the back of the Nashville show, which was great for us, and we're bringing in a lot of business, which is great.
Oh, and we have Natalie here from Calais. How are you, Natalie?
So this is our color display multi-space meter. We can work in all three modes of operation, so pay and display, pay by plate, and pay by space. We have the ability to take citation payments as well as event codes at the meter. So basically for pay by space, you would just simply hit the button, type in your space number, and then you're just going to select your time. It's going to verify the credit card, print out the receipt, and away we go.
We are presenting our parking guidance system, which is camera-based with license plate recognition capabilities.
And what do you think about the American market when it comes to automatic number plate recognition?
We arrived here in 2013, starting doing business in the United States. And at the beginning, it was mostly airports and big shopping facilities that were interested in this sort of technology. But nowadays, this technology is also arriving to the mid and small size parking garage, and it makes it a very exciting moment.
See it.
Our valet parking technology, we are the company that really invented the entire industry of using technology to manage valet parking. We started back in 1996 when people thought it was crazy to put a computer in a valet parking booth. And fast forward now, look around the show, there's all sorts of people in our space now, which is great because competition makes everybody better and it legitimizes the concept of using technology to manage valet parking.
Hello, Al. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
I hear some people saying that ticketless is the way forward. What would you say to that?
Well, I think it is a way forward, but I think there will always be tickets. In transport to parking, I think, well, even in the airport, as you can see, most people have their mobile, but you'll notice when you go through the airport, everyone has a ticket still. So I think there's room for both sides of it. I think less tickets, but I think it'll still be around for a very long time.
We're showcasing our new color touch screen multi-space parking unit. We use this on the street and in garage situations. We've got credit card and cash, and we do coin with this as well, solar powered.
So at NPA, we're showcasing a number of products that range from cash acceptance to coin acceptance. Our main focus at the NPA is to talk about our single banknote recycler, or SCR. So if you take a look at the SCR, it's a very compact device, still offering dual 2 recyclers, 60 notes each, with a 600 note cash box. So we have the ability to offer cash recycling in a very compact, low-cost device, while still giving the benefit to the customer of cash back in their hands.
Right here we have our brand new system coming out this year. We have our Slimline, which is the entry unit. We have our automated pay station.
And how are you finding the show so far?
It's good so far. It's been busy, crowded, so we're getting a lot of good feedback from people, so it's all good.
What we're showcasing this week is our parking guidance solutions, ultrasonic solutions using car counting in garages, dynamic signage, VMS signage, as well as our ALPR, automatic license plate recognition systems, based in Boston, and this will be our 14th year at the NPA show, so having a great show.
Hello, Jeff.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing very well, thank you. I think congratulations is in order on your new job at Park Assist.
Yes, thank you.
And I hear a little birdie told me that you've got a new product out. Can you explain a little bit about that for us?
Well, it's not a new product. It's been around in the market for some time in Europe, but they've recently rolled it out here in the United States. It's a command center product. It's called FlingQ, also known as FlexPosure. The command center lets you control all of your operations from one platform. So for example, an operator, an owner, may have multiple types of garages out there with all different types of equipment. Rather than trying to learn all those various products, we actually integrate with all of them and then roll it up to one platform, so the operator behind the scenes only have to really be trained on one system.
Rick! How's it going?
So what we're showcasing this week is our smart cities implementation. So again, we started out in smart parking, but now we're trying to focus on what are all the things that the city needs to sense in order to be a smart city. I think we're going to continue to see more and more sensors coming into play, whether they're fixed in place sensors like we do, or whether they're the sensors that are embedded in cars. So a lot of what's going to happen in the future is going to come out of the automotive industry, and we're going to sort of make sure that we're smart enough to stay with them, right?
We are showcasing our amazing machines, our back office solution, also our off-street solution over here. This is our on-street solution. Beautiful color screen, as you can see. It's lovely, amazing. You can do pay by plate or pay by space with this machine. Moving on, we have these two. These are our off-street solutions here. They correlate with that machine over there, which is an entry and exit gate. So So we're showcasing. We also have our mobile phone app where you can pay for parking from your phone, which I think is pretty cool. That's probably my favorite thing.
Here you can see our power gate. It's our all-round column. Let me show you how it works. So let's say I'm a parker, pull over. You can easily pull a ticket here. You can see the video. It's a bi-directional video. You can talk to the person in the control center. He can see you, you can see him. Barricade opens. I go through. We are even able to send mobile tickets, e-tickets, scan it in the barcode scanner, and it will open. Voila.
So TransCore, we're pioneers of RFID technology. We work in the transportation market for vehicles. We are showcasing our tags and our readers that are used for parking garages, universities, medical centers, gated communities. It's easy access. We say it's green because you can get in and out really quickly, and you don't have to wait. So that's what we call it, green. So we're kind of showcasing our tags.
The need of the market today is shifting towards smart software and mobile solutions. We are presenting our advanced management system. It's called JMS. It allows you to manage multiple locations and multiple brands of equipment.
What we would also like to show you is our phone apps. So you come to a location that has Bluetooth. I can click the ticketing. It tells you your location. It's generating your pass, raises the gate. Now, same as exiting. If you needed to pay, you would be able to pay through the phone, or you could pay through the device itself if you wanted to use a credit card.
Hey, how you doing, Tom? Southland Printing is a ticket printing company. We do event tickets, mag stripe tickets. We're one of the worldwide leaders in ticket printing. So there's always going to be a need for tickets. It's not going away anytime soon. Technology is a cool thing, but at the same time, tickets are here to stay, and we hope to be here for a while. So
what we do is we do space administration. We get people in and out of their vehicles as fast as possible by getting to the closest available space to the front door, in essence. So what we want to do is utilize every space that you have and be able to change the parameters of it. If it's contract parking, if it's retail, if it's ADA, or if it's reserved, we do it by changing light colors. We also do a find your car. So therefore, if you lose your vehicle, you go to a kiosk or your phone and it'll get you directions right to it. And unfortunately, if you stay longer, we can also write you a ticket and send it to you in the mail.
In the last few years, amazing success. We've been growing like hell. And regarding our systems are now installed in thousands of garages across the US. Relatively easy to install, very easy to maintain and support. And that's what the customers and partners like about us. We're making things very simple, faster, and in a way more cost effective for them to sell.
HTS is an LPR, license plate recognition company, and we're showing basically our capabilities, our booth. We have a video running here that shows our mobile platform that basically does inventory of vehicles, mostly for airports currently. We partner with most of the park systems in the industry, and we're a piece of the puzzle for that matter, actually.
We have single space and multi-space credit card parking meters. This is our new unit that has the vehicle detection sensors on it, so it knows when a car pulls into a parking space. That way you can get all kinds of data, you know, your occupancy levels, that sort of thing with the credit or with the single space meters themselves.